Hey guys, kind of busy today. I have a lot of stuff to do, and I still have more stuff to do. The absolute horror of knowing that I'm not going to finish any of it tonight is kind of bad. I have to build a rocket out of a 2-liter bottle and a bunch of other stuff that I just have lying around that will shoot up about 600 feet and bring an egg back down without breaking it. Understandably, I'm not entirely sure where to start. Right now, I'm cutting some bubble wrap. Okay, finished thing that holds my egg. Looks something like this. You might think this doesn't look like something that's going to protect an egg falling from about 600 feet, but it will. Yeah, just take my word for it. It's a lot of bubble wrap, a lot of foam. It's designed to distribute the force along the egg based on what my testing of breaking eggs under controlled circumstances would do, and yeah. Unfortunately, I forgot to record the actual testing of breaking eggs. I'm finding it difficult to describe just how much I don't want to work right now. Right now, I am taping my parachute together. Got the parachute together. It's a lot bigger than it looks right now. I wonder how much faster I'd be working if I wasn't constantly distracted by the knowledge that I'm filming it. And here it is inside my nose cone. Here's my problem. Never considered what would happen if it didn't fit. It doesn't fit. Shoot. I ran out of bubble wrap. We are ready, except for fins. Those are important. I had one left. Alright, it's about maybe 2 hours, an hour and a half later, and here is the finished product. I think it'll work kind of okay. It's the kind of thing that kind of looks like you threw it together. It looks kind of good, but when you actually use it, it's fairly obvious you just threw it together the night before. But, you know, I'm hoping it'll work. I'll record how it turned out tomorrow.